Good afternoon. Today we are going to do the evaluation for the materials that you will teach next week. So we just start from the primary form. So here, the English primary form. We start from the first question.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir. Okay, this multiple question for P4. Number one, okay, question number one. What should you click first to attach a file in email? We click attachment button first. Okay, the number two. What should you type the receiver email address? We type the email address. And number three, what should type in the subject line? Sorry. What should you type in the subject line? We will type is what the email is about. Okay, in number three, which where do you type the receiver email address? We type it in the subject box. So the address is subject box.
Next,
Okay, number five. What is the purpose? Sorry.
this is number four.
Number four, yeah. Okay, what should you write at the beginning of the email? Uh, of course, we write a greeting first.
Okay.
Number five, what is the purpose of the forward option? Forward, we used to send or share email with the others.
Okay. Next, we talk about zip here.
Then number one, write attach a zip folder and a presentation. Why might attaching file be better than explaining everything in the email text? Okay, why attaching file be better? Because we can send a file, uh, like maybe it's like a zip file, and the presentation is better because it's more efficient. So we cannot much writing email too long. So we can attach a file to make efficiency of the email.
Next,
So why is it important to check an email before sending it? What's problem will happen if you not check it? So it's important we check before sending, because if after we sending we cannot cancel the email. So we check if the email is already proper, email is no have a mistake. So that's why we need check before sending. The problem is if the mistake is make maybe make a worse condition and something bad.
okay. Next,
Okay, if you attach the wrong file by mistake, what should you do and why is important? Okay, if we attach wrong file by mistake, so we must first, yeah, we cancel, we not send the email, and we change the file attachment. So why should you do, and yeah, why is important? Because wrong file, a mistake. I think it's making something bad. So if the wrong file, so we change the right file. So that's the solution.
okay. Next, number four.
If you delete an email by mistake, what can you do and where should you act quickly? In email, if we delete some email, the email will not actually real delete or disappear, but the email will go into the trash box. So if we wrong, we can must undo or take it back from the trash
You
like that,
restore it.
or restore it. Yeah.
Next,
Number five, why should you sign out of your email account after using it, especially on second computer? Yes, if we not sign out our account, it's a second computer, so anyone can use my account, so it's can be harm our account or our business.
next, we move to primary five. We go to excited. Okay, first question.
Okay, first question. Imagine you are designing designing a class timetable in Excel, how will inserting multiple column be similar to inserting multiple row, and why might you choose one over the other? So if we use Excel, yeah, we can insert multiple column or row. So we can use control to insert if the column or row is different position. So we can use control. So if not different position, we can just insert like as usual. I think like that.
Okay, next.
Mm. You are preparing a budget sheet for a school event. Can you think of a situation where insert just a few cells is better than insert a whole row or column, and explain why? Okay, sometimes we just need insert just maybe a little cell, maybe a little cell or column. So we don't need insert all columns. So if we insert all columns, we insert from top and uh, from top and the low of the sheet. So we just use maybe just a few cell. So we can insert it with Excel. So if we insert cell, the new cell will be appear in the left of the cell. We select or on the top or above of the cell.
So we don't have a wall column, right? So
Yeah,
only some
only
cells.
some cell.
Next.
Suppose you accidentally delete some data expression. How will choosing shift cell left change the table compared to shift cell out? And which option will keep the table more organization? Shift cell left chain and shift cell up is different. So if we shift cell left, the new cell will be insert in the left position. So if we select the cell, insert, so the new cell in position in the left cell, we select. But if cell up is the position is the up or above of our cell, we click. So that's so different. So if cell left, the column will be changed, but for cell up, the row it will be changed.
Okay. Next. Number.
Uh, for imagine you are typing a long sentence in one self-assigned project. What problem will happen if you don't use WebTech, and how does WebTech solve it? WebTech in Excel we use for make a long sentence will be fit in one cell, or so it will be make the sentence in multiple line, not just one line, but it make in multiple line. So how does website solve it? So it make if we don't use web tag, the text will be not visible because it will be cut by the cell width like that. So the text will not show properly. So we must use web text.
Okay, about this. Next.
You are creating a title for your class project. What? Why would using merge and center make the title look better, and why should you avoid using it? Okay, we use merge and center is only for the title of our table, because maybe the title have multiple column under it, so we can use that. So we avoid it if we use like something formula, and we must use like handling. So we avoid merge and center.
Okay, next. Next, we move to JS. First question.
Okay, number one question: why is the variable username stored as a string? Because username it can contain letters and numbers. The answer
Yeah,
is C.
let us say number of people can
Number two: what is the name of diagram used to show the logic and decision of a program? Okay, if a diagram is Logic is flowchart. What is the main purpose of the test plan in program development? Okay, main purpose to program development. See to check a possible test plan. I think to check a possible program pathway.
What number is it?
CD
Number three.
number three. Can I check this C D answer?
So what is next report?
Check out possible program pathway.
Yeah. Next, number four.
Okay, number four. What does the keyword definition def yeah keyword def indicate in Python? Def is a function or subprogram. B. Why is using subprogram helpful in large program? Subprogram is the C.
This one.
Okay, so they organize code into manageable part.
Okay, so now to the essay.
Okay, exercise number one. So explain how the if else statement is used to check the player age. So in Python we can use if else statement is like a selection condition. So if you want to check the player X, maybe if we want to make our program only for X, maybe for more than 17 years. So we use if check the age if more than 70 years. So if the condition, if the player age is more than 70 years, it will be true condition and the program will be let them using our program. So if the age is under 70 years, it's not meet our condition, so the return is false, so we will reject them to use our program. Okay, number two, describe what iterative development means in game programming. Iterative development is like we develop a programming, so it will become for plan. After that, design, and after that we create or code the program. After that, we doing a test and evaluate. So in iterative development is we always doing is like a cycle. So if the program after evaluation, if something wrong, we will go to back to the plan. We must make sure or change the plan. After that, we change the design again. We do create develop again, test again, and evaluation again. So it's like a circle development. So that's why it's iterative development.
Next.
Okay, explain what a subprogram is in Python. Subprogram is like a small program or like a function in Python. So subprogram is will be manage something small action or small decision. So in Python we can make a subprogram maybe using a def function like that. So small program or subprogram will make a main program or overall program. So in the programming, we must like we decompose the problem. So we make the subprogram too many subprograms to create main program.
Next, you just move to page number five.
How do subprogram support the comprehension in problem solving? Yes, because if we create program, the first we doing we must decomposing the program first. So after decomposing, it will be make a subprogram. So subprogram will be create after we decomposition problem in the program logic. So that's why we need a subprogram. So subprogram uh, create because decomposition of the problem.
Okay. Next.
Give what advantage of using subprogram in quiz game. In example, in quiz game, we can make a subprogram. Maybe we can the composition of the quiz type. maybe a quiz level, maybe a quiz question. So every question, every level of question of in the quiz game is using a smart program. The advantage is we can easy to maintain and easy to find the error and fix it, or we make it better organized of code. I
Yeah,
think like that.
to make it the code easier to use, right?
Yeah, easier to use.
Yeah, okay, so I think that is clear for this primary four, primary five, and GIS two. We just move to vocabulary.
Yes, sir.